Medyo we had an abbreviated honeymoon nga dahil political matters. Pero nag-enjoy naman kami and the wedding was attended by our closest talaga friends. Sarap ng pakiramdam.
So kailan ang plan nyo na magpa-baby?
Kung kailan po ipagkaloob ng Diyos, ano naman, pwede namang subukan araw-araw yan.
Okay. Attorney?
Anything po about yun sa event natin today, ano po yung magiging role nyo dito, and if you can give more details sa mangyayari sa Monday.
Definitely, I will be serving as co-counsel with Attorney Topacio here now. We are still discussing we're fine-tuning my other participation, but definitely as co-counsel. Ang sana maging malinaw talaga sa taong bayan, and it's very hard to believe na hindi political move ito. Kasi meron naman kaming campaign machinery I'm acting in my capacity as arbitration. I'm a national officer of the PBB. So legal yon sa arbitration committee. And it is really within my powers and my duties to act on legal matters. And this is a legal matter. Meron po talaga allegedly na falsification na naganap sa pinakamalaking batas na pinapasa taon-taon ng Kongreso, our budget. All the elements of the crime are there. BANC. That's a bill, pending approval. It was altered. Okay? Altered. No authority. Kasi kailangan yung plenaryo mag-authorize. Okay? And it changed the meaning. It changed the meaning. And in this case, unlike other bills, it changed the meaning to the tune of 241 billion. So, all the elements of the crime are there. So, I would be remiss as a lawyer if we do not bring this up in the proper forum. So, there is a crime committed. We hope that justice will be served kasi unlike other cases na personal lang ang apektado, ito po buong bayan talaga. These are the mechanisms of corruption na sinusubukan natin. Sana naman matigil na.
Attorney, paano ito makaka-apekto sa kampanya mo?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Sa totoo, katulad nga ng may kasabihan that no battle plan survives the first punch. Kasi ang dami mong plano, pero pagdating ng unang suntok, titingnan mo na kung ano yung igaganti ng kabila. Pero let me be clear, hindi kami nag-aanap ng away. Hindi naman yun ang purpose ng filing ng suit. We want to clarify and to ascertain kung meron talagang krimen na naganap kasi parang meron. There is probable cause in my opinion that there was a crime committed na nabago yung meaning ng ating batas to the tune of 241 billion. Now, whether that affects my campaign negatively or positively is of no moment. That's God's will, or that's fate. I'm just duty bound to file or to complain against it.
Bakit po kaya iba-iba yung defense nila? Iba-iba yung defense nila kung tinatanong sila about it?
Well, of course. Una sa lahat, siyempre, yung mga abogado nila, they are also duty bound to find the defense. No? Pero kaya nga sabi ko sa iyo, this is no longer about the allegations and the defense. This is about the truth. The truth, meron ba na alter without authority that changed the meaning of the bill? And in our opinion, yes. We have predicted more or less the predictable defenses, no? Palagay ko, they will say it is a political matter na walang kinalaman ng judiciary dyan and that this is internal matter of Congress. But we have very strong arguments against that. No? Hindi po, that will not hold water in court.
Gano'ng karami yung dokumento niyo?
Madami. Pero ang importante lang naman dun sa document ay yung 28 blank items. Yun ang importante. That have been admitted by no other than Representative Kimbo herself. No? Sinabi niya that indeed there were blanks. That's enough. No, yung public pronouncement niya, that's enough to say that the process was not followed. No? That the proper process of passing the budget was not followed. So kung naipasa talaga na blanco at biglang nagkalaman, diba? The thing speaks for itself. Diba? So, may falsification. Ang tanong na lang ngayon, kung sino. And that's the argument that we will make, that we have the evidence to show that we do know some, maybe not all, of the personalities who filled in the blank to the detriment of our nation.
Ano pa ang magiging timeline nito after ng action nito?
Well, sa Monday, we're filing it. No? Sa Quezon City, sa prosecutor's office, alas 10:30, umaga. And then, the wheels of justice will turn. Yun ang timeline, yung normal na...
And makaka-apekto ba yun sa mga kumakandidato ngayon?
Well, like I said, hindi ko alam. No? In an ideal world, sana hiwalay ito. Sana hiwalay yung candidacy doon sa legal. Pero it's not an ideal world. So, tingnan natin kung maghihilahan siya sa oras. I think, our most precious commodity is time. So, palagay ko yun ang pinaka-apektado. It's time. More than anything else.
So, yung start ng campaign, attorney.
Kasi yung campaign is Feb 11 na yung campaign period.
So, officially, mag-start talaga.
Correct. At sasabihin nila, siguro tinaon niya yun sa campaign. But yung logic dictates na hindi totoo yan because kailan ba pinapasa ang GA? Kailan ba pinirmahan? Diba? December 30 pinirmahan. Nag-New Year. January, nag-prepare tayo nitong mga complaints. Nataon talaga. It's by sheer... it's not coincidence. It's by sheer natural progression. Hindi yan tinataon. Nagkataon, ito yung campaign period din talaga. With or without campaign period, ipafile talaga.
So aside from the speaker po, meron po bang other info kayo na dun sa kaso?
Well, the complainants were all there, yung nakita ninyo. At sinabi nga ni Speaker kanina na we're not sure if other congressmen will intervene or join suit because ang problema nga dyan, he claims, these are his words, that yung iba matatakot because they might lose certain privileges in the House. Budget, most importantly. Pero sabi na nga niya, wala na siyang pakialam sa budget niyan. Unang-una, hindi naman unconstitutional naman ang pork. Hindi naman talaga dapat tayo nagpapartake dyan. So talagang literal, this is a lonely fight. May mga laban po, nakakagwapo, nakakapogi, nakakayaman. May ganung laban. This is not it. This will be lonely. It will be met by opposition, even by some teammates, people even on our side, baka maging kalaban natin kasi mawawalan sila ng privileges. Pero yung mga tunay po natin kakampi, saka yung mga tunay na kakampi ng bayan, hindi yan matitinag. I think they will see the elements of the crime are all present.